Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. I can't get enough of this red hair color that she has. This is absolutely beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see yet another beautiful bob with bangs and a splash of blonde mixed in with her brunette hair color. Such a fun and modern hairstyle idea. So moving on to transformation number 3, she starts off with hair just a little bit past her shoulders. And it looks like she got a nice mini bob or pixie bob haircut. Very cute style idea, and this is right on trend with what we are seeing in 2023. So modern and fun. So next up we have someone with a pixie hairstyle. Looks like the stylist is doing more of like a slicked back modern pixie look. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Now this would be a really cute hairstyle if you had a formal event to attend and you were looking for a fresh way to rock your pixie out. This has a very glamorous Hollywood, old Hollywood feel to it. Next up, it looks like we have someone getting some color done. She's also getting a cut with this transformation. Ooh, very nice layered shoulder length bob style. The curtain bangs, the face ring layers. This is stunning. And once again, a nice refreshing style for this new season ahead. So we move on to the next transformation. Looks like she has a bob here. Looks like she wants to shake things up by adding some bangs. Very nice French girl style bob. I love the messy texture. Very cute style idea. So it looks like we have a color change for the next transformation. There is the before and there is the after. She ended up getting this beautiful kind of sandy blonde hair color shade. Very nice. A traditional well-rounded bob with the side swoop bangs. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.